You wake up tired, not in your body, in your soul. You go to work, you smile, you reply to messages, yet inside, you feel empty, disconnected, overwhelmed. You wonder, what happened to me? Why do I feel like this? Why do I feel nothing or everything at the same time? Today, we don't run from that truth. We face it. Stoicism teaches this: emotional numbness is not weakness, it is armor worn too long. Numbness is the mind saying, I've been hurt too many times. I'm tired of hoping. I don't trust happiness anymore. You don't wake up numb overnight. You become numb slowly, through disappointment, through betrayal, through effort that brought no reward. So your mind shuts down feeling before pain can reach you again. Not because you are broken, but because you survived. And survival is not the same as living. We live in the most connected generation and the most emotionally abandoned. Stoicism reminds us, being surrounded by people does not mean you are seen. Loneliness today doesn't come from being alone. It comes from being ununderstood. Posting, scrolling, comparing, watching others live while you are just getting through the day. Not wanting attention, but wanting someone to notice that you're tired, that you're trying, that you matter. And when nobody does, you begin to disappear inside. Exhaustion is not always physical. The worst exhaustion is working without meaning, grinding without direction, trying without fulfillment. Stoicism teaches a man can endure any suffering if he knows why. Burnout doesn't come from doing too much. It comes from doing things that do not feed your soul. You wake up asking, what am I even building? Who am I becoming? Why does nothing feel enough? You are not tired because you are weak. You are tired because your life is not aligned. Some pain is loud. Grief is quiet. It waits inside you, like a shadow that follows you through every good moment. Stoicism teaches what you resist emotionally follows psychologically. When grief is not expressed, it becomes weight on the soul. You laugh, but your heart remembers. You move forward, but part of you stays behind. Time does not heal pain. Awareness does. Acceptance does. Courage does. Anxiety is not fear. It is imagination with no discipline. Stoicism teaches you suffer more in imagination than in reality. Your mind keeps running simulations. What if I fail? What if I lose? What if I never become who I hoped? But the future doesn't punish you. Your thoughts about it do. You do not live in tomorrow, you live in now. And now is strong. Now is enough. At some point, you stop asking, who am I? And begin asking, am I enough? Stoicism answers, your worth was never negotiable. Not with your job, not with people, not with society. If you don't define yourself, the world will do it for you. And that is the fastest way to disappear. The brain was never designed for endless news, endless comparison, endless opinions. Stoicism teaches not everything deserves your attention. Information without control is emotional poison. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is clarity. And discipline is freedom in disguise. You are not broken.
weak, behind. You are awakening. Countless people feel what you feel, but few are brave enough to face it. And you are still here, which means you are stronger than it feels, wiser than you think, closer than you realize. This pain did not come to destroy you. It came to shape you. You are not lost. You are being forged.